Hello everyone. In the today's video, we will talk about the SQL commands and also called as SQL languages. First of all, we are going to see about the what is meant by SQL commands and what are the uses of SQL commands. The SQL commands are the instructions. It is used to communicate with the database. Some specific tasks. The SQL commands or the SQL languages are mainly categorized into five categories. That is DDL, Data Definition Language, and DQL, Data Query Language, and DML, Data Manipulation Language, and DCL, Data Control Language, and TCL, Transaction Control Language. And coming to DDL, we are going to see in detail about each one. Coming to DDL, DDL are the DDL or data definition language actually consist of SQL commands that can be used to define the database schema. Data definition language is used to define the database schema. It simply deals with the database schema and used to create or modify the structure of the database objects in the database. Create, drop, alter, and truncate are the DDL commands. We are going to see in detail about each command. Create is used to create the database or its objects like table indexes, functions, views, and store procedures. Coming to drop command is used to delete the objects from the database. Coming to alter command is used to alter the structure of the database by using alter command. Truncate truncate is used to remove all the records from a table or a view, including all the spaces allocated to that records. Coming to data manipulation language, the SQL commands that deals with the manipulation of the data present in the database. Whenever we want to manipulate the data present in the database, we will use these commands insert, update, and delete. We are going to see in detail about these commands. Insert is used to insert the data into the database by using insert command. Update command are used to dat, update the records present in the database. And delete commands are used to delete the records from the database. Coming to data control language includes the commands such as grant and revoke, which mainly deals with the rights or privileges or permissions and other controls of the database system. Grant command gives users access or privileges to the database or to a user, and revoke commands are used to withdraw the privileges given by the grant command. Coming to data query language, select is the data query language, and select is used to retrieve the data from the database. Coming to transaction control language deals with the transactions. Commit, rollback, and save point are the data uh, transaction control languages. And coming to commit a transaction, and coming to rollbacks a transaction in the case of an error occurs, and save point sets a save point within the transaction. and these are the SQL commands or the